Okay, here's another automation on Franco unit cassette type. Okay, in this example, I already compile most of these automations from air terminals to mechanical equipment. So this one, there are link parameters here that when you change the flow or cooling capacity, it will change according to the type catalog from the manufacturer. So in this example, we are going to add a new automation, automatic sizing for this cassette type carrier model. So this one. So if we copy this one here, just the sample, this one. Okay, so this one. So we have bypass duct connection also here, and then we have also a duct connection here. So this is based on their catalog online. So if we open that one, where's that? This one here. So let's check this one. So this is their catalog. This is the carrier cassette type fan coil unit. Okay, so we get the information, technical data, okay, and then we get also the dimension. So for this one, we get the dimension of the face, then the height, and then the connection also height. It will change also the liquid and gas connection. It will change also the height based on their type. Okay, so in this example, I changed the link parameter. Instead of before we use the airflow, now we're going to use the cooling capacity, this one. So the statement will be if the cooling capacity is less than 3,200 watts, then the model will be number 3. So and so on. So if the cooling capacity is less than 4,000, then the model will be 4. So once we get the model 4, all these dimensions here, flow, I think the flow I did not put, but all the dimensions for this one, for 4 in here, dimension here. And then for the 5.8 and then 10.14, we are going to place that in the lookup table. Okay, so so that's it. And then we'll go now to the Revit part. So let's say this one is our cassette type fan coil unit. So let's say we're going to place now temporary. I place here, if I place here, like let's say 500 cooling capacity, which is very too low, but it will still remain the size of this, the smallest model, this one, 42GWC3. Okay, so let's try to place that here also. Stop short, okay. And then we try to place also here. So it depends, no, the connection, they're here. Then we're going to place also the pipes here. Strand connector, hydraulic. Okay. I think this was too big. So hydraulic. How come it's so big? Sanitary 25. We change to sanitary PVC. Okay, try PVC. Okay, so just use what happened to the connection? Okay, come on. We have application here, microdesk. We have the bloom. Okay, select this one, and then bloom. Okay, so this one is let's say PVC, and then where's the 25 for this one? So copper. sanitary. That's right. So 25. So this one should be, what's the size for this one? 25. Yeah. Okay. Then this one for the liquid gas. So let's try to copper type. Then this one is 25. Okay. So we have now our, this one will be our return the gas, and this is supply. Okay. So oops, hold on. So let's try to just make it longer. Frame. Okay, that one. So this one I think will be too long. So okay, so fan curl unit. Let's try to copy this one. Copy multiple and then constraint. So let's say 5 or 4. Then we create schedule. Where's the schedule? So this one I will place here. This one with the type. So we'll place here, type mark will be cassette. Cassette. Okay. Okay. So we create a schedule now. Schedule. Actually, we have already mechanical equipment schedule here. So field type, family, and type. Okay, family and type, and then type mark. Then filter, okay. Type mark equals cassette. Okay, here's our what else? So okay, I think I did not create the shared parameter for cooling capacity. So we have to edit the family cooling capacity. So edit family. Check the cooling capacity. Okay. So we're going to add new shared parameter here. Shared parameter instance. Select. Edit. Only for that, this one. Sorry. So in the schedule, here's the schedule. This one. So we add here new parameter. Shared parameter. Select CCL. Okay. Place also electrical. Okay. CCL. Okay. So we have now the cooling capacity here. So okay, so going back to 3D, in the type, we'll check, just hide this one. this one. And then I'm going to add a parameter here. And share parameter. Select. This is the model name from carrier. So you can customize this one, the name. Okay, that's it. So I think we're ready now to change the sizing for this one. So let's say we try to change this one according to the data. Cooling capacity of 5,200. So let's try this one, 5,200. And then apply. It will change also the model. It will become bigger. So this one, let's say I'm going to change this one. What will be this one? Let's see what is bigger. Holding capacity 12,600, the biggest. So it will be model 40 now. Apply this one. So it will correspond. Okay. So we're using the cooling capacity here. We're not using the flow here. So the same with this one. If we change this, select this one all, and then change the cooling capacity here to 12,000. Okay. All will change and update. See, and then the connection. So in the schedule also it will update. So same logic from my previous videos regarding linking the parameter and creating a lookup table. So see this one. I think we can really help the engineers to save time. So we can just export let's say the space of this location of this cassette type fan coil unit, export to Excel the data, and then let's say the engineer would just input here all the value of the cooling capacity. Okay, then it will change. It will be a great change automatically. So that's the advantage of linking. And also you don't have to check this one one by one. You check this one and then select and duplicate, create a type here. So no need to do that. So if I go here to mechanical equipment, I just delete this one. So this one is, what's the model name? Carrier. So this one's a bit off to 100. You have now this one. So this is the model. So it will correspond to the schedule also. So yeah. Then schedule, go to the schedule, mechanical equipment, schedule. In the time, so you have here. So again, it's the information here is unlimited. So you can edit also this one here. So column, unit name, calculated flow. So I don't need this one. I just need additional new parameter type, CCL. So select. Label. Okay. So when you load this one to the project, you have your CCA here. So you can customize also the you can customize the units and the value. So this one, it's much, again, much easier and faster. So let's select this one. CCL back to 1,500. I can also. So it will change that. So yeah, I guess that's it for this tutorial. So